welcome to Golden Guitar. Happy notes and tones from Taylor Swift, Honey. Of course, we're happy looking on Honey. That's a great title, great song. Track number 11 from her latest album. Now let's go into this tutorial, and we have 5 chords to handle here, guys. So very easy. No need for any capo here. Let's dive into the chords. We're gonna start with D first. Okay, D goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have G next, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have A, and that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. E minor, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. And finally we have F sharp minor. Of course, we need to throw in a bar chord. So you place the index finger, second fret, you push down all strings with all your power you have, and then you need to add fourth A and fourth D. And that's it. Now let's go into the strumming here, and we have a 2-part strumming because we need to split the strumming between chords. So we're gonna look at the first transition from D, part 1 of the strumming, to G, part 2. So D to G sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna play D first, part 1, down, down, up, clap. That's it. So down, down, up, clap. And then you shift to G in this case and play part 2, and that's a down immediately after that clap with a pause, and then comes down, up, clap, down. So it's down, pause, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so together slowly goes like this: down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so there we have one full strumming pattern, part 1 and part 2. That is also how the song starts. It actually starts with the first chorus, okay? So when everyone and so on call me sweetheart, I believe is the lyric part. So we're gonna play D part 1, G part 2, like we just learned. Then you're gonna go into A part 1 and E minor part 2. That's the first half of the chorus. Then you continue with the second half, which is D part 1, G part 2, and then you stay with A and play one full strumming round, both part 1 and part 2. And that's the second half, and that is 1 round of chord progression. You're going to play it for 2 rounds. So I'm going to take down the tempo for you so you understand what's going on. I'm going to play 1 full round for you, and you're going to double up for playing this first chorus. It goes like this slowly. Of that, guys, and you played the first part of the song, the first chorus actually. Then you're going to continue into the post-chorus parts, a little different style here, how the build-up is, but it comes about 36 seconds in. But you're going to play now F sharp minor, 1 full round, both part and part 2 of strumming, and then you're going to go and play E minor, 1 full round as well. Then you go back to play the F sharp minor, 1 full round, and then you finally play A, 1 full round. So 1 full round of the following chords: F sharp minor, E minor, F sharp minor, A, like this. Okay, and that is the post-chorus parts. Then finally, we have the verse, so it goes a little bit opposite here. The first verse at 47 seconds in, Summertime Spritz. Okay, so what you play here is exactly the same as you played for chords. So that means repetition: D part 1, G part 2, A part 1, E minor part 2, D part 1, G part 2, and A, 1 full round. You play for 2 rounds. And that is the first round of everything. Then you go back to play the second chorus, just repetition, guys. Second post-chorus, exactly the same, and the same goes with the second verse as well. After the second verse comes the bridge parts. It's, yes, right after the second verse. And what you're going to play here is D, G, A, E minor, D, G, A. You recognize that chord progression. That is from the verse / chorus part, but now you're just gonna play 1 down per chord. So no strumming. You imagine you play the strumming here. So that is where the timing goes. You have the exact same timing. You just play the first down in every part. So longer pause, and then again, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. And that is the bridge part, and then you have the final part of the song. It's the third chorus, and guess what? No changes there. 2 rounds, and that, my friends, that is how you handle the Honey song from Taylor Swift. Yes, I enjoy doing these tutorials for you guys, and I hope to get something back. It takes time, energy, so give me a like. It doesn't cost you anything. Subscribe, be back here, and yeah, hope to see you soon. Play tuned.